Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 53. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lu Shishao. Right now, she's getting angry. She was looking at Xian. Also, Louis. Well, emotion is really heightened. Is this how you become a teacher? The student cheated and you still protected her. This is one of the traits of Lu Shishao that's hard to miss. Tian, she seems to be surprised. Lu Shishao said to her, how can you live up to the title of role model for the others? Tian, she was hugging Lu Wei. Lu Shishao, still, she won't calm down. Besides, I educate my daughter. It has nothing to do with you. You still look furious. Now, after saying this, three of them become speechless. Louis was still hugging Xian. Lu Shishao still won't calm down. Louis, she was still crying. Lu Shishao was still looking at Xian, with sharp eyes straight to hers. This is really strange. Lu Shishao is really overreacted. And Xian, she was only looking at her. Probably she really wanted her to calm down. Instead, Lu Shishao, she was still getting furious. Moreover, Xian, serving as a role model, every word she said was like a heavy hammer goes to my heart. It hurts so much. How could it be? Oh, she was really thinking hard, and she remembered what happened in the past. Masters always mentioned to me the world's being a role model. Well, she was right when she was new in a teacher. But I grew up in a free undisciplined environment and my heretic nature then gradually thorny willows grew up on the podium, binding me tightly. Being a teacher is no longer what I dream of, but has become a shackle for me. Now Lucia also uses the identity of teacher to kidnap me. This is how you become a teacher, protecting your students when she get caught cheating. How can you be worthy of being a teacher? Bang! It really goes to her hearts. Created a huge gap between her and me and our relationship and was even worse than a friendship, she said. Now, it really makes sense. I have never been a good teacher. You have to misjudge me. Tian said to Lu Shishao. Right now, still, Louis was still on her side. Over, Xian said to her, I'm sorry for being nosy today. Xian, it's like, you need to stand up. Calm herself also, but I still hope you can calm down. Cheating can solve the problem. Xian said to herself, now, it really hurts her. All the words of Lu Shishao really goes to her heart. But suddenly, someone was calling Xian. Hold on. Turns out it was Lu Wei. She wanted to go with her, but Xian, she really get closer to her. Xian can do anything but just to let Lu Wei hug her. Lu Wei, she seems to be a little terrified because of what happened today. She was still crying and said, Teacher C, this kid, she really likes Xian. But right now, Xian was looking at her. She looks really surprised. The kid still won't stop crying, and it really melts her heart. Lu Wei is reluctant. If Xian leaves right now, Shisha will come back to her, scold her again. And it really makes sense. She was still crying at this moment. Shisha was standing there. She was in silence and she was not speaking. Xian was looking at her, like asking her whether Lu Wei can stay at her. When Lu Shishao turned back to them, said to her, have her over to your place for dinner. Oh, it's like that. Like she's giving away Lu Wei to her. Without any question, Tian, she becomes speechless. Of course, she really understands the situation right now. That's why she don't want to speak anymore. But just to take Lu Wei with her. What I'm doing, the child is so young. How can I be so acting like that? After calming down right now, Lu Shishao I can think clearly that it's her mistake. She is overprotecting Louie. Also, she really acts hurriedly. But right now, what will happen to her? Her tears and pain were also brought to her by me. If it wasn't for my careless mistake, right now, Lucy Xiao. What happened today, Nunu will grow up in a healthy family and better than me. Now, she remember her fast and it really makes sadden her. Remember, her parents really much capable taking care of Louie instead of her right now. Everything is my fault. Now, she really put the blame all to hers. She was whimpering right now. She was really crying. It really saddened her what happened today. Also, in the fast. Now, she need to get up. Get Louie's Xian house. But right now, it seems that her head is a little bit dizzy. Now, it really makes her uncomfortable. She grabbed her phone and she was looking into it. There's someone who's messaging her. Who could it be? Maybe it was Xian. Right now, how can she act towards her? Because clearly that she really hurt Xian. Of the contract does not match. Yet, so please don't send it out for now. Turns out she was talking to colleague. I'm out now, please take it to Manager Chi for signature first. Turns out, since she looked really tired of what happened. But given my current situation, since she was not going to the work today, because of this incident, he spoke ill to Xian. Well, she was right, and right now, she's having a little remorse for it. Right now, really makes sense. She really hurt Xian. Now, I was thinking she don't know what to do. It's like, how can she face Xian right now? Words spoken like nails driven into the wooden stake. Well, she was definitely right. Now she's asking herself if Xian is gonna forgive her. It. Thank you for supporting me. Tara Yamanaka. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!